welcome to the remarkable transformation of a property we carried out in Cheadle, Stockport. Our team's vision for this project was to breathe new life into a dated 2-bedroom bungalow, creating a modern 4-bedroom family home with enhanced usable space. The journey began with a complete strip out of fixtures and fittings and the demolition of internal walls. This allowed us to reconfigure the space and optimise its functionality. To ensure uninterrupted progress, we cleverly erected a tented scaffold, shielding us from the unpredictable Manchester weather. With the scaffold in place, we carefully removed 2/3 of the existing roof, preserving the materials for reuse. New floor joists were then installed, utilising the original roof tiles, trusses and bricks. This commitment to repurposing existing elements created a seamless fusion of old and new, whilst also delivering substantial cost savings for our valued clients. Our attention then turned to the first floor, where a stunning timber frame construction took shape. This elegant structure was beautifully finished with a cedral cladding system, adding a touch of contemporary style to the exterior. As part of our comprehensive renovation, all windows and doors on the ground floor were replaced, perfectly aligning with the new openings created on the first floor. This harmonious integration of design elements further enhanced the property's aesthetic appeal. This project is a testament to our unwavering commitment to transforming spaces, maximising functionality and employing innovative solutions. By reusing existing materials and carefully blending old and new, we not only create a stunning home, but also demonstrate our dedication to sustainability and cost effectiveness. Join us as we embark on more exciting projects, witnessing the incredible metamorphosis of this property into a modern, spacious and inviting family home. Stay tuned for more updates.